alaikum. Welcome to Rise with Reason, a space where we talk about parenting, emotions and everything we were never thought to question. मैं हूँ नैना and today topic hits every close to home. We are talking about generation after generation trauma in the name of तरबियत. क्या हम सच में अपने बच्चों को इमोशनली हेल्दी राइज कर रहे हैं या सिर्फ वो रिपीट कर रहे हैं जो हमारे साथ हुआ था? Thinking it's good opinion. I have with me Ali, someone who speaks with heart and logic. Welcome Ali.
Thank you Nina. Honestly, this topic is sensitive but important. अगर इस टॉपिक पे हम बात नहीं करेंगे तो चेंज कितना आएगा?
Let's begin simple. What exactly is generation trauma?
In basic terms, it's pain. Traveling from one generation to another generation. हमारे वालिदैन ने डिप्रेशन, ट्रॉमा, दर्द, तकलीफें और जो कुछ बर्दाश्त किया है वो हमारे दर्द मिटा दिए.
Yes, and the irony is, उनका intention बुरा नहीं था. They really believe, teaching us strength, but sometimes that strength means don't cry, don't feel, don't complain.
Exactly, they took our silence as respect. लेकिन असल में इस साइलेंस ने इमोशन नमनेस क्रिएट कर दिया है.
So true. We were taught how to behave, not how to hate. यही से ट्रॉमा का साइलेंट साइकिल स्टार्ट होता है.
Morning.
There are lines that it's hard. Their depression is not our fault. Ali, let's talk about that.
Yeah, every generation carry its own battle. हमारे वालिदैन ने भी मुश्किलों को देखा. Social pressure, poverty, burden, lack of awareness. But when they said, हमने झेला है, तुम भी झेलो.
Exactly. Healing does not mean surviving the same pain. It means breaking that pattern.
Beautiful said. We can understand our family, but हम उनके इमोशनल थेरेपिस्ट नहीं है. उनका दुख समझना अलग बात है, लेकिन उसे उठाना हमारी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है.
And people confuse this. They say you are blaming parents, but no, हम उन्हें blame नहीं कर रहे.
Yes, it's saying I see the pain, but I choose different way for my children.
Now the hard question. Do parents create depression?
Sometimes yes, but not really. लेकिन उनके वर्ड और रिएक्शन बच्चों के दिमाग में स्कार छोड़ जाते हैं. When a child hear you disappoint us again and again, they stop believing they are worthy of love.
Yes, and when love feels like a test, well performed, behave perfectly, the child learn has condition. Unconditional love become a myth.
Exactly. When they grow up, their small criticism feel like failure. Because deep inside, उन्हें यह भी कभी फील नहीं हुआ कि I am enough.
और फिर हम कहते हैं इतना ओवरथिंक क्यों करते हो? लेकिन वो ओवरथिंकिंग एक सर्वाइवल मैकेनिज्म होता है, लर्न इन चाइल्डहुड.
Okay.
सो अली, अगर हम ये साइकिल तोड़ना चाहें, हाउ डू वी स्टार्ट?
जब आप समझते हो कि ट्रॉमा रियल है तो गिल्ट खत्म होने लगता है. You realize You can love your parents in any condition.
Exactly. Communication. Talk to your kids openly. उन्हें feel करने दो, express करने दो. Don't shut them with चुप हो जाओ.
If we replace fear with understanding, और अगर हम बात करें एक दूसरे समय, तो ये कम्युनिकेशन गैप खत्म हो जाएगा.
That's beautiful, Ali. Parenting is not being about perfect. It's being about reset. To listen, to guide, not to control. So friends, this was our conversation. Generation after generation, trauma in the name of Tarbiyat. If today's talk made you think, share it with someone who needs to hear this. Remember, awareness is the first step to better parenting. सच समझ कर प्यार और पेशेंस के साथ राइज करें. पेरेंट्स को भी हमें समझना चाहिए और हमें भी उनके साथ प्यार करना चाहिए.
Because healthy family creates healthy generation. Thank you, Nina, for this honest talk.
Thank you, Ali. This is Raj with Reason. Take care. Bye bye.